Here's how you can be lonely as an expat or a digital nomad. Believe that it's hard to make friends as an expat. Believe that it's hard to make friends as an adult. Believe that people are not interested in being friends with you. Don't actively try to meet people. Don't go to any sort of events. Don't approach strangers. Don't initiate hangouts. Don't keep in touch with people. What else? Just focus on missing your people back home. Believe that somehow you can only be true friends with the people you grew up with or the people you went to college with. Sort of stay in your loneliness, believing there's no way to get out of it. Believe that you're awkward. Believe that people think you're weird. Believe that it's going to be seen as weird or creepy to want to make friends, to talk to people. Believe that you're pathetic for needing friends. You got my point. Just keep focusing on those limiting beliefs instead of making the best out of being an expat or a digital nomad, because that's one of the best things about living abroad. It's to meet new people, to start from zero. It turns out it's actually way easier to meet people when you're an expat. Of course, this doesn't mean making friends. Meeting people and making friends is different, which is why I went over those limiting beliefs in this video. Trust me, it's easier to meet people and it is easier to make friends.